Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through Cowrywise tips for achieving financial discipline. Now the first tip, I'm going to actually give you about 10 tips. The first one is 1. Write clear goals inside each plan. Always write clear goals inside each plan. That means add the name, the target amount, and your deadline. For example, rent for the name, target amount 1 million, 1.2 million naira and the deadline can be like August 30th. So the second tip is to save before you spend. On payday, saving should be first. Only spend what remains after you've saved. 3. Lock money that tempts you. Use locked plans to rent, for school, or any goal where you often give in to spending. 4. Always check your progress weekly. Open your Cowrywise, look at the progress bar and move small top-ups like 500 naira to 2000 naira if you are behind. By move, I mean add it. Then the fifth tip is to protect your top 3 priorities. That is, emergency, house, and education. Keep those 3 funded even if you must pause lower priority goals. Number 6 is to use tiny habit triggers. For example, after any credit alert, move 1,000 naira to emergency. After every airtime purchase, move 500 naira to your main goal. Tip 7. Wait 30 days for big ones. If you want to buy something that is not essential, wait 30 days. If you still want it after 30 days, decide calmly. If not, send that money to a goal. 8. Limit visible cash. Keep only what you need for spending in your bank app. Keep the rest inside Cowrywise plans or funds. 9. Schedule automatic increases. Set autosave to rise by 5 to 10% every quarter, so discipline doesn't depend on your mood. And lastly, celebrate your milestones. Reward yourself with cheap, healthy treats at 25%, 50%, and 25% completion to stay motivated. So that's it. Hope you found these tips helpful.